Maybe this evening, what a splendid bunch indeed. They all are on the flight deck with me. Is Ross Grosvenor, and looking after you in the cabin. Steve's your cabin manager with his Jill, Kelly, and Paul. Bear in mind, please, these lovely people are here primarily for your safety. So pay very close attention, if you were, to the safety briefing that they will shortly subject you to. It is indeed read for your benefits. Once that's done, that makes us comfortable. And Ross is driving. He gets conversing again later on, updating the weather. An estimated time of arrival. Flight time to drag you into London, around about 2 hours and 30 minutes this evening. The cracking evening it is down here. Look at this. The sun's been shining. The temperature's been all pleasing temperatures around 19. And so it tastes for you. It's a little different to Gatwick. It's not been a bad day. Temperature crept up to 15 degrees centigrade, but rumours afoot of some drizzly, cloudy conditions by the time we make an appearance, so possibly somewhat more recalcitrant weather. But anyway, we'll keep you updated as we mooch along. And they're just about ready to go. I think all the doors just closing up. You all brought a staggering amount of hand luggage with you. It's took a little while to sort that all out, but closed up and ready to go. So we'll convince air traffic to let us loose, be on our way. Departing initially to the southeast, straight away out over the wet stuff, gain some altitude, and then we'll point in a northern direction. And meander our way through Spain, and Ross will give you an update beyond that. One must be on safety. Once we get this beast into the air, we'll get the seatbelt signs off as we find smooth air, then you can move around. However, if you are sitting down, we do recommend to keep the belts fastened and visible. We're there for your comfort and safety should we encounter any unexpected potholes along the way. So there we go, that's enough from me. I shall leave you in the splendid hands of Stephen and the team. Enjoy the drive.
Your life jacket is underneath or beside your seat. If you cannot locate your life jacket, please ask your cabin crew after the safety briefing. In the event of landing on water, remove the life jacket from its container and pull it over your head. Fasten tapes around your waist and tie them securely in a double bow at the side. To inflate, pull the red toggle as shown, and the air can be topped up by using this mouthpiece. There's a whistle and a light here for attracting attention. Do not inflate your life jacket until you're outside the aircraft. And finally, ladies and gentlemen, please study the safety card and do take notice of the fasten seatbelt signs. Smoking and e-cigarettes are not permitted at any time whilst on board. And if you do have any questions, then please speak to a member of the cabin crew. Thank you.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to welcome you to London Gatwick South Terminal. It is a safety requirement now that you do remain seated with the seatbelts fastened, leaving all items of hand luggage stowed away, just until the seatbelt signs are switched off and the cabin lights have been fully illuminated. Before leaving the aircraft, do ensure you collect up all of your personal items and your hand baggage, but take care of opening the lockers as items may fall out causing injury. Smoking is of course not permitted until you've reached designated smoking areas, but with your electronic equipment, mobile telephones, etc., all of the functions may now be switched back on again, and you're free to start making and receiving telephone calls and text messages. Well, should you have any questions or queries once leaving us today, then please do contact any member of our ground staff here, and they'll certainly be able to point you in the right direction. On behalf of all of the crew, though, it's been our pleasure to bring you across to Gatwick this evening. Whether you're coming to the United Kingdom for business or pleasure, may we wish you a pleasant and a profitable stay, or if you live in the United Kingdom, then of course a very warm welcome home to you. On behalf of all of the crew, British Airways and the One World Alliance member airlines, thank you for choosing to fly with us today, and we do hope to see you again in the near future. Do have a safe and a pleasant onward journey, and enjoy the rest of your evening. Thank you.
Cabin crew, thank you very much indeed. Doors to manual and carostroke.
Ladies and gentlemen, aircraft still moving. Please do just remain seated, but without opening the lockers, just until I switch the lights on. It's just for your safety and everybody else's around you. Thank you.